All right. So one of the members asked, how to calculate options profits. Well, there's like a pretty easy way. I don't know if it's like the most reliable way, but this is what I've used sometimes to see, okay, well, I need this stock to go to this dollar amount, right, for my premiums to hit. So let's just say I'm trading Netflix and Netflix is at 431. Let's just make this like reasonable. Let's say we want a 450 call, right? So we're gonna buy a 450 call, okay? And then like right now it's at 431, whatever, right? And let's say our profit target, like it's at 635 right now. Let's say we want like 720, okay? So if we just click plus, right? So as I'm clicking plus, it shows expected Netflix's price. So 432.12 for your premium to hit 6.6. So if you want like 730, let's say for a price target, you go to 730 for price and it says expected Netflix price to hit at least 434.25, right? So this could be a very easy way of trying to figure out where you need the stock to be for you to hit your goal based on the option contract. So we can just do it. I don't know if we can do it one more time. We could do like TSM. Let's say we want TSM puts, right? So let's say we want to buy 99 put, right? And our goal is to get from 0.81 to 0.84, right? So we're obviously going to click buy, and then we can change this price to one premium, right? So we need TSM to honestly go from 102.84 to around 102.18. So you can try this. I wouldn't like, you know, rely on this 100%, but it is a pretty cool way to see the expected price of the stock for your premium to hit. Let me know if this makes any sense. Thanks.